Yeah, madam. Hey, yeah, it has been a while, eh? I've been searching for you. I get question when I want to ask you. The thing don't be happen for everywhere. Rumors they full everywhere, and the matter job like you don't know what I want to talk. As I want to talk now what to me? So now the matter with the set of since morning. And let me quickly ask you if I thought you even have any idea about it, madam. Things that be happening. They say woman get belly and a woman is pregnant. So I believe you don't marry. Are they sitting for your hand? I make me want to ask you this question. So what is going to be different between I get belly and I am pregnant? Now the issue now if everywhere see so they say get belly, I pregnant, they are all the same thing. I can't use my mind think and say it not fit be the same. Meaning say JTV they want to start waiting that thing mean well. That make me corner. I want to ask you this issue, madam. How do you see it?
My brother, now the right person. Now you don't make so. Now me be the only person when if he tell you say see the difference between I don't get belly with I am pregnant.
Continue.
The meaning, the difference with there for this two be say I don't get belly. Now when Peking, the same Peking make you go school. If from school come back, Peking you not go school tomorrow. He said no, I dey sick. The next morning he go the.
You only you want to come.
What did they do you? He say na fever. Mama check her you come see say you don't get belly.
Child.
Mama Karen, go show me the person when he do this one to you, when he give you the belly. When he be say another one, I am pregnant. Now he be say, mommy, I am getting married though.
Look at you.
Really? Where the man for the work? He dey work for oil company. Wow, that is my son-in-law. 1 year later or 6 months later, you say, okay, mommy, I am pregnant. Okay, where's your husband? My husband traveled to China for a business meeting.
Hey! I hear meeting.
I am pregnant with I don't get belly. Thank you.
No. Okay. You don't understand what that one mean, madam. Madam, make I ask you one question. You get belly before being you pregnant before?
I was pregnant.
You was pregnant before?
Yes.
Oh, I can see it in you. I can see it in you. I can see it in you, mama. Okay, that is nice, man. Okay, mama, have a nice Sunday, man. Yeah, bye.